Hey everyone, this is Jake Hall, the Manufacturer Millennial. It's day 3 and we are outside enjoying this beautiful weather. And today I have to show you a great new product from Inxpect, and that is the LBK SIL 2 certified safety radar. This device has a 3-meter working range and has a 110-degree field of view with a 30-degree arc. This can be used in extremely dirty environments, if indoor and outdoor, and can detect through smoke, weld splatter, water, and other really dirty environments that would normally trip with light screens and floor scanners. I'd like to show you more about this product and give you some examples outside, but if you have more questions, feel free to contact me at the end of this video. Thanks. Kitty, go touch the light. Go touch the light. Run up to it. Run up to it. All right, you got my favorite DeWalt tool, shoved with leaves and dirt. Let's see what happens. Have I mentioned the Banner WLS27 is a multicolor light with IP67, IP68, and IP69K ratings. The LBK has a PA66 nylon housing that's really durable. I'm really having fun right now. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for checking out the LBK sensor with me from Inxpect. I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe, flatten the curve, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.